Hello guys, and now I am turn on the printer. This here for the new model to print, and this here for I like it the printer, and it's the best the printer, not error and easy to use for the printer. And if you need turn on the printer, this here for button, you click here. This here for the turn on. You're looking, okay, this one, the title. No. Okay, this here for the printer ready the title. And if you need the connect the Wi-Fi for the printer, and you click here for the button, okay, and this here for the click here for plus the minus, and click plus, and this here for the network. Okay, you click okay the network, and this here for VLAN, you click here, and this here for the network reset, and this here for Wi-Fi detect VLAN, this here for wireless LAN, and you select the VLAN. Okay, you click OK, and this here for the IP, and this enable, and this here for set to default, this here MAC address, this here for VLAN status, and this here for this here for you select for setup wizard. Okay, if you title setup wizard, you click OK, and this here for the enable true, enable and on, you click here. This here for off. Okay, this here for enable, and you're looking here, and this here for the search for SSID for the Wi-Fi. Okay, this one, this here for the search your the Wi-Fi, this here for the Wi-Fi, and this here for the connect, and you click OK, and this here for the connect the print. If you need the password, this here for not the password for the Wi-Fi. If you need the password, you input the password. This here for the title, your the tag for your type, you here, and this here for you click OK. This here for the install for the connect your the printer. Okay, and this here for easy to print the connection the printer. Okay, you click OK, you press OK. This here for the and click back, click back. Okay, this here for the easy to the connect for the printer the printer brother. And I am try more, you click OK, back, you click OK, and this here for if you need sleep the printer, you click OK. This here for machine, you click here, you click press up and down, you click for up, and this here for the network, you click here, and you search for VLAN, you click here, and this here for IP, your select this here for wizard enable, VLAN enable, you click here, you click MAC address, you click here, you search for setup wizard. Okay, you click OK. This is for search the Wi-Fi for the printer. Okay, for search Wi-Fi, and the tag for Wi-Fi, you click OK. You put the password, you click here. Okay, you put the password. It is here for connect automatic, and this here for not password. If you the password print, the password of the Wi-Fi. You put the password and you click OK, and this here for the install, for the connect automatic for the printer. Okay, if you need question, to print, and if you need question connect the print, comment below, and follow, subscribe my video. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe my channel. See you by next time in the video, and thank you.